Welcome to EnglishHack. Let's train for the TOEFL 2026 speaking section. Listen and repeat. If you find this practice helpful, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and leaving a hype. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence out loud. Let's begin.
The lecture begins on time. The lecture begins on time. Students sit in rows. Students sit in rows. The instructor stands at the front. The instructor stands at the front. Slides, charts, and graphs are shown. Slides, charts, and graphs are shown. Key points are explained clearly. Key points are explained clearly. Students listen and take notes. Students listen and take notes. Examples with simple visuals support ideas. Examples with simple visuals support ideas. Important terms are repeated for clarity. Important terms are repeated for clarity. Visual materials help explain complex concepts. Visual materials help explain complex concepts. The instructor pauses to check understanding. The instructor pauses to check understanding. Some students ask questions during the lecture. Some students ask questions during the lecture. Short tasks and group discussions may occur. Short tasks and group discussions may occur. The content is organized into clear sections. The content is organized into clear sections. Information is presented in a structured sequence. Information is presented in a structured sequence. Students focus on key ideas and main concepts. Students focus on key ideas and main concepts. Complex topics are explained using examples with clear comparisons. Complex topics are explained using examples with clear comparisons. The lecture builds knowledge through explanation with structured progression. The lecture builds knowledge through explanation with structured progression. This session supports understanding, retention, and academic communication. This session supports understanding, retention, and academic communication.
Great job! Keep practicing a little every day, and you'll see real progress. We'll keep making helpful videos to help you hack your English, so subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.